Hey Jules, so we're gonna hop right into this video. I'm using the Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer followed by the Kiss Hydrating Primer. I love the combination of these two when I put my foundation on. Like, I don't feel like I have anything on my face, and I know that my skin is protected, so I love these two together. Of course, I wash my face before I put on the moisturizer. You should always do skincare before you do your makeup. I'm going to be going in with my brows with the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. In this video, I'm using a lot of NYX products. I didn't realize how many NYX products I had, but I'm going to have everything listed down below. If I can, I'll try to get the link. But usually I buy everything from my local drugstore or Target. Well, not drugstore, my local hair store or Target. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I did end up putting my lashes on after the fact. It wasn't until the video was over I realized I didn't even put my lashes on. But I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and if you ever recreate this look, definitely tag me in it and let me know what you think of it. Comment down below. Don't mind my hair, by the way. I'm about to film a hair video like right now, so I'll have that also linked. And yeah, I'll just play some music for you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next videos. Don't forget to sparkle.